Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn about the Turbo C. For that I have installed MS Turbo C++. For that you need to open like this, right click and then say start Turbo C. So over here you can see this has opened. There are options like file, edit, search, run, compile, debug, project, option, window, help. Slowly we'll be learning all of them, but right now we will be learning about in the file you have to go and say new. You can see a blue screen will appear. This is the work area where you'll be working. So let's now write down our first code. So for example, I just want to print simple hi. So it will be hash include. You are aware now that there are two files, header files, that is to iostream and the another one is conio. So we'll write both of them and conio.h. Now after that a void main, in that I will write down cout and I will say simply a hi, and our code is done. For now you can even write down over here get. Okay, now first you need to compile the source code. We'll compiling it, so there is 0 error and 0 warning. After that we'll run it. So you can see a hi has been printed on the screen. So this is a way you can write down the code and you can even print the values. So I hope you like my video. In the next video we'll be covering more about the codes and we'll be running more codes. We'll be taking the cout as well as the scene from the user. Thanks for viewing. Thanks a lot.